So I want to do the song There Is Nothing You Cannot Do by Evelyn Wanjiru. You are yaweh actually. So it was done on E. So I'm going to do it on E first, the original key. Then I'll do it again on F sharp. So the song goes, there is nothing, there is nothing, there is nothing cannot do for I go to 3 direct, 4, copy. Actually it's just like that, so let me show you. So the song starts from 1, E is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E is 1, 2 is F sharp, 3 is G sharp, 4 is A, 5 is B, 6 is C sharp, 7 is D sharp, back to 1 which is E. So the chords are 1, E, there is nothing. You can go to 3 direct, which is D sharp minor, or you can go to 2, there is nothing. And do that work, the 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can just play the 1, there is nothing. Then we go to our 3, then 4, then 2, then you can just play the 4 and 5. There is nothing you cannot do. Very simple, it's just 1. Go to your 3, 4, 2, then. So like here, our 1 is E, our 2, there is nothing. We go to our 2, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, which is our 3, 4 which is our A, 2 again. I'm just playing the inversion. So this is F sharp minor again. I played it twice. Just like that, very simple. There is nothing. You can go to your 3. Like that, it's actually very simple. So 1 on another key. If you want to play another key, let's do it. 1, the chords are 1, there is nothing, 1, 2, 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4. Confusing the melody. Actually it is 1, it's nothing. Exactly. So it's 1, there is nothing. Play your 2, 3, 4, 2. Very simple like that. That is on E. You just try that key. It's not hard actually. So let me play it with a beat, a little bit. There is nothing. that. Very simple.